Tired of that messy rack with gear just piled on top? This Intellinet 2U server rack shelf might just be the tidy solution you've been searching for. It's designed to fit any standard 19-inch server rack or cabinet, and it's surprisingly versatile. You can throw all sorts of non-rack mount equipment on here. Think patch panels, routers, even your favorite AV gear. The internal depth is a decent 16 inches, which is enough space for most common items. What really impressed me is the build quality. It's made from heavy-duty steel, and you can feel that sturdiness the moment you pick it up. Intellinet claims it can hold up to 55 pounds, which is pretty substantial for a shelf like this. That means you can confidently load it up without worrying about it sagging or failing. One of the standout features is the ventilation. The entire shelf is vented, which is crucial for keeping your sensitive equipment cool. If you're cramming a lot of gear into a tight space, airflow is king, and this shelf definitely helps with that. It's a simple but effective design that prevents heat buildup, potentially saving you from some nasty overheating issues. Installation is straightforward. It's a fixed cantilever tray, meaning it mounts securely to the front or rear rails of your rack. It's not a sliding shelf, but for most stationary equipment, that's perfectly fine. It adds valuable storage space where you might not have had it before, making your entire setup much more organized and efficient. Plus, Intellinet backs it with a 3-year manufacturer warranty, which is always a good sign of confidence in their product. Overall, if you need to add some organized, sturdy, and well-ventilated storage to your 19-inch rack, this Intellinet 2U shelf is a solid choice. It's built tough, designed smart, and offers a practical way to declutter your tech space.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.